Vince, you can. Oh, look at this water. So high. There's a highway there. And over there, very nice. Nice place. Oh boy. Look at that. This must be deep. Look at this water. There's a big stuff over there. Very nice here. And this is the flowers, the plants, and the swing. You have kids. You. Kashkan, nice. Okay, one lap. That should be enough. Look at the birds. Summertime is coming next month or no, June. Oh, look at this. Nice, right? Nice. It's a big pavilion. Nice plants. Thank you, sir. Alright. Finish our walk for the day. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow in Facebook. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.